Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing really well, and today I'm going to share with you guys my quick and time-saving pan-fried beef. So a lot of you guys have actually asked me how to cook the beef on a pan, because beef always takes time to soft it down. So as you can see, I've actually marinated the beef for about half an hour, or if you have time you can marinate them for overnight as well. This is basically a simple basic marination like salt and pepper, turmeric, white pepper, cinnamon powder and nutmeg powder. So as you can see, I'm sorting down the garlic cloves and red chilies and cinnamon stick, bay leaves and green chilies on olive oil. So as you can see, like after sorting out like for 2-3 minutes, it's gonna give a great flavor. And I'm adding like onion and salt as well. So this beef is gonna take like 30 minutes to cook, and it's super easy, and it's gonna soft down as well. So there is basically a secret trick to that. And I've actually done some spinach omelette and some veggies as well. So I've actually done like lots of things, like three types of things for my lunch, so that I don't need to cook on dinner. And this is cauliflower and green beans sautéed in olive oil with a touch of turmeric. So my onions are softened right now, and I'm going to add the marinated beef. And I'm going to mix the beef with the salted onion and garlic and to absorb the flavor. So I'm just gonna mix it down for about like a couple of minutes. That should be fine. As you can see, after 5 to 10 minutes, the beef, lots of water came out from the beef, and this water is gonna help down the beef to soften down. I've actually taken the tender beef down here, which actually is really good for kids as well, like for everyone. And the trick is I'm using the foil paper to cover the lid so that it absorbs all the As you can see, I've actually sealed them with the foil paper, the lid, so no smoke comes out from the beef, and it's gonna help down to soft the beef none other than 20 minutes. So while the beef are cooking, and then I'm actually checking on my baby. She's playing down here, and she is really happy basically. Don't know what to say, so you know, she keeps herself busy all the time with her toys. So I came down again to check the beef, and it's actually 70% done. As you can see, all the juices are taken down, and it's going to be very thick, and you'll have to see the whole video. I'm gonna add some parsley as well. So after 20 minutes, as you can see, the beef came out very soft, and it was really soft, and the flavor, I can't obviously say this is amazing. It was really tasty. As you can see, the beef came out very thick, and so you guys can give it a try at home and do comment down below if you like it. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.